Of course, one cannot learn a language without knowing the days of the week in that language. And for that matter, we are going to learn the days of the week in Twi. So before then, check this out. Are you a Ghanaian born outside the country? Or not a Ghanaian, but wants to learn Twi to the native speakers level? Then you are at the right channel. Join me in Let's Learn Twi with Opoku. Come along. Welcome back. Here are the list of the days of the week in Twi. Observe them closely, and what do you notice? If you look at them very well, you will realize that each of the days of the week in Twi ends with the word da. Da. To know what that means, look at their English counterparts. And you also see that each ends with the word day. I think you've got a clue now. Yes, the word that means day in Twi. So just as each day of the week in English ends with the word day, so as in Twi, we have each of the days of the week ending with da, and that is day. Without much ado, let's start learning the days of the week in Twi from Monday to Sunday. That is from Ejuada to Kwesiada. Ejuada, Ejuada, that is Monday. Ebinada, Ebinada, and that is Tuesday. Wukuada, Wukuada, that is Wednesday. Yawada, Yawada, Thursday. Efiada, Efiada, that is Friday. Memeneda, Memeneda, Saturday. Kwesiada, Kwesiada, Sunday. Let's take it once more. Ejuada, Monday. Ebinada, Tuesday. Wukuada, Wednesday. Yawada, Thursday. Efiada, Friday. Memeneda, Saturday. Kwesiada, Sunday. It's easy, isn't it? Now, do you know that amongst the accounts in Ghana, the day that one is born automatically gives him a name? You know that? And are you interested in knowing? Then watch my next video entitled 3 Days of the Week with the corresponding name given to a person born on that day. Thanks for watching, and like I always say, keep learning Twi with Opoku. Thank you.